I'm Art. I'm from Antelope. Go on vacations with my wife and kind of just go out and explore. Go to the beach or go down to LA or something. I started about 3 years ago. Just kind of got into it. My brother was into it, so kind of offered me kind of a job, and I just went into install and just been installing since. Probably the quality of work and the people that come in and do the job. Come to the house. They always say that we have a kind of a close relationship in a way. We work well together. There's not really any issues. I think it's the kind of relaxed feel you get when you come in. Like I said, the people that you work with, you kind of get to know them, and they're not really on you about everything else. Just kind of a relaxed feel to it.